Hi there, fellas. Hey guys, tell me, would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more cash? If you say yes to one of these questions, then you're welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about the best way to make money online during tough times. Okay, fellas, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tell me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, very, very awesome. So keep up. Okay, fellas. The best way to make money online during tough times. Okay, guys, as you guys already know, there are many ways to make money online, especially on during these tough times. And one of the greatest way to make money, to earn great cash, it is to bring traffic to a particular business. Let's say, for example, first of all, 10 years ago or 20 years ago, when you had a business, let's say, for example, a skateboard shop or a garage car or a bike car or a bike garage, sorry, or a pawn store, you know, in order to get customers, you needed to create your business in the right location. In other words, you needed to create your business in a location on which you had the opportunity to be visible toward your customers. And that was one thing. And another thing also it is that you needed to create flyers, and you needed to, how can I say, to distribute flyers everywhere, in schools, gyms, in houses, and in order to make flyers, which was a lot, used to cost a lot of money, still cost a lot of money, you know, and yeah, those things they were pretty difficult. Now the thing is that with internet, you don't need necessary to create a lot of flyers. In matter of fact, what you can do is just create a, how can I say, a website or web page or a channel, Facebook channel, YouTube channel, whatever it is, and then promote online. And since everybody right now they have cell phones and they have access to internet, to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and you can promote your business or somebody else's business. So what am I trying to tell you here? It is that, first you learn how can I say, how to deliver traffic, how to deliver traffic to a particular business, how to get traffic to a particular business. First you learn that. Once you learn that, you can go to, how can I say, a company, a business. It doesn't need to be a big company. It could be a small company, a garage car, a bike car, or something like a fitness club, or a martial arts club. Just think about it. You can go there and then you can speak with the owners and then you can say, okay, that you can, how can I say, get customers on internet. You have a way to find customers for that particular business on internet. And then you try, and then you do it. You get a lot of customers on internet in order to buy their products. Once they buy their products, you can negotiate in order to have a little commission, how can I say, for a particular product, I don't know, maybe 10% commission, 20% commission, and then you guys can figure it out, because you gotta understand one thing, business, a business without customers, it is no business, and I think that this virus, this virus, this situation is already telling you that if people are not buying products, the business die. So the most important thing about the business, it is how can I say, it is customers. Just think about that, buddy. So what I want you to do, or what you're supposed to do, then what you're supposed to do, it is to learn how to drive traffic to a particular business. Then you drive traffic to a particular business, and then in exchange of a commission. So definitely try to do that. Okay. So this is what you do. Go out there, and learn how to drive traffic to a particular business. You could drive traffic through Facebook, via Facebook, or via YouTube, or via TikTok. You can choose. Check the link below so that because I'm promoting one program that's gonna teach you how to drive traffic. Okay? Yeah. You can do one of those things. And then once you know already how to drive traffic to a particular business, you go to any business, around your town, any small business. You ask them, you speak to them, and then you tell, okay, if I drive traffic to your business, if I teach you guys your business how to drive traffic, would I get a commission? Then most likely they will say yes. Okay? So do that. Okay? Check the link below, so that you can see this program that's gonna teach you how to drive traffic to any business. Okay? Check it. Okay, guys. Then write your comments below, and check the link below so that you can see this program that's going to teach you how to make money online in an awesome way, And by checking the link below, you're going to see this free ebook that's going to teach you how to make money in life and in business, okay? Okay, guys, write your comments below and let me know what you guys think about this video, And subscribe to my new channel. Subscribe to this channel. It is new. And click the like button and write your comments, okay? And I'll make it, today evening I will make a video and then I will post it maybe today or tomorrow, okay? Ciao.